Cebu Pacific welcomes you to Mactan Cebu International Airport in Lapu-Lapu City. On behalf of our entire Cebu Pacific team headed by our flight deck crew Captain Xavier and First Officer Antonio, together with your cabin crew, we thank you for making Cebu Pacific a part of your important moments. It was truly a pleasure having you all on board, and we do hope to fly you to more fun in the future. Once again, thank you everyone for flying Cebu Pacific.
For your safety, please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until the fasten seatbelt signs are switched off. Voice calls with the use of mobile phones are still prohibited until the doors are opened. Be cautious when opening the overhead bins, as items may have moved during the flight. Check your surroundings to ensure you do not leave your personal belongings behind. Thank you for flying with Cebu Pacific. It was a pleasure having you on board. We are happy to bring you closer to your destination. Mangyari po lamang na manatiling nakaupo at hintaying matanggal ang ilaw sa fasten seatbelt sign bago tumayo para kunin ang inyong mga kagamitan. Maraming salamat po sa paglipad kasama ang Cebu Pacific. Hanggang sa muli. For passengers with infant, the infant's life vest